In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a subdomain using Cloudflare. We'll be doing this directly from the Cloudflare dashboard, and the process is straightforward once you know where everything is. A subdomain is something like blog, yourdomain.com, or app, yourdomain.com, and in Cloudflare you can create it by adding the right DNS record. To begin, go to your Cloudflare account home. This is the main dashboard where all your websites and domain settings are managed. Once you're there, click on Domains. This will take you to the section where you can view the domains connected to your account. Next, click on Overview. This page gives you a general summary of your domain setup and is a good starting point before making any DNS changes. From there, click on the domain where you want to create the subdomain. Make sure you choose the correct domain since the DNS record needs to be added to the exact site you want the subdomain to belong to. After opening the domain, click on DNS. This is where Cloudflare stores all of your DNS settings, including the records that control where your domain and subdomains point. Then click on Records so you can view and manage the existing entries. Now click Add Record. This opens the form where you'll create the new DNS entry for your subdomain. In the record form, click the current type field to open the drop-down menu. From the list of record types, select CNAME. A CNAME record is commonly used when you want one hostname to point to another hostname, which is a typical setup for subdomains. In the name field, enter the subdomain name you want to create. For example, if you want something like app.yourdomain.com, you would enter only app in the name field. Cloudflare automatically attaches it to your main domain. Then, in the target field, enter the destination that this subdomain should point to. This is usually the domain name or host provided by your hosting platform or service. Be careful to enter the target exactly as given, because even a small typo can cause the subdomain not to work properly. Once everything looks correct, click Add Record to save it. After that, your subdomain has been created in Cloudflare. Keep in mind that DNS changes can sometimes take a little time to update, although in many cases they begin working quickly. If needed, double check the name and target values to make sure they match your intended setup. And that's it. You've successfully created a subdomain using Cloudflare.